If you can see the steam coming out of my mouth, it's because it's cold here. What's up, guys? You can already tell that I'm excited and that I'm standing where BMW used to be. I'm not working on it today, and probably that's why I'm excited, because I'm working on this pretty little car.
Take it all back, hate the things that you said, 'cause I wish you didn't mean it. I'm under attack, running far, far away.
I took a break from the BMW because I'm sick of this car. Nothing goes according to plan. You'll see that in other episodes. I wanted to relax. I wanted to do something I will enjoy, and that is this little BMW VW. Sorry for the shadow. Probably my favorite car that I own. Why? I don't know. It's fun to drive.
Gotta keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through.
I don't know if you remember or if you're new to the channel, I bought the BMW, had to push this car back. I covered it in plastic because I didn't want to overspray on it from painting BMW. And I had a really bad time pushing it back because the car didn't have tie rods and tie rod ends. The wheels are freely turning and all makes a hard job to push the car. Right now I bought the parts and I need to mount them into the car. Okay, so we'll be working with a tie rod and a tie rod end today. Well, before I do that, I have to fix one thing that I haven't done before, which is reconnecting the hydraulic lines to the steering rack. I'm talking about this and this. 18mm wrench. Lines are connected right now. Tie rod.
You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, so delusional. In an ocean of this emotional. Best be sure, I'll be there.
Damn, my back is dirty. But that's what happens when you work in a barn without floor made and you lay on the ground with all that dust, etc. Whatever. The important thing is that the tie rods and the tie rod ends are now in. Actually, only one side, the driver's side, is done. One trick that I'm going to show you is when you are trying to tighten that knot here, and what happens is that the thread is spinning with the knot. You have to take something long, like I use the extensions, and pry it somewhere, like here, for example. Push on it and use your other hand that I'm holding the camera with to use the ratchet. Maybe you know about it, maybe you didn't, but it's something useful, something that can help you. Right now, let me get to the other side and I will eyeball the alignment a little bit because I'm gonna get the digitally dialed in somewhere someday in the future after a couple of more videos of this glorious car. Okay, the other side is done. Now, eyeballing the alignment. First, I'm gonna like turn the wheel so the steering wheel is straight. It's right there. Then I'm just gonna try to get the wheels straight, and that's it. Okay, let's put the wheels on and put the car on the ground. To sum up today's episode, I'm happy that I worked on the Golf because I really wanted to do that. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to. Share it with your friends. Feel free to watch my previous videos on this channel, and well, stay tuned for next episodes. Take care. Bye. Oh, and stay hydrated.
But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need.